Most people spend thousands on supplements and skincare, but the secret to rebuilding your health, your strength, even your glow might be hiding in your kitchen. Just half an avocado, just one slice of citrus. What if these everyday foods held the key to collagen, energy, and mental clarity? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how small, daily choices create powerful transformation, backed by science, driven by consistency, and inspired by purpose. Don't skip this. By the end, you'll look at your plate differently forever. Half an avocado, tiny bite, big impact. Have you ever wondered how just half an avocado a day can change your life? That soft, green fruit, creamy on the inside, subtle in flavor, yet bursting with power, holds more than just taste. It carries nutrients your heart craves, your skin celebrates, and your body silently thanks you for. Every bite is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that love your heart back. Every spoonful brings fiber, helping your digestion stay strong and steady. And then there's potassium, which keeps your blood pressure in check like a trusted guardian. But this isn't just about health, it's about habits. Tiny decisions, repeated daily, shape the strongest foundations. You don't need a revolution, you need one simple ritual, just half an avocado. One choice, one commitment. As Napoleon Hill once taught, success comes to those who become success conscious. So, today, let your consciousness choose health. Let that humble avocado be your symbol of self. Bite by bite, you're building something powerful. Citrus fruits beyond cold season. When most people think of oranges, lemons, limes, or grapes, they think of cold season. Fighting the flu, boosting immunity, a quick fix. But citrus fruits are more than just a seasonal remedy. They are nature's daily dose of vitality, sunlight in edible form. These juicy gems contain not only vitamin C, but plant compounds, antioxidants, and citric acid that help your body thrive every single day. Vitamin C isn't just about immunity, it's a builder, a rebuilder. It helps produce collagen, the very fiber that keeps our skin smooth, our joints strong, and our tissues resilient. But here's the twist. Without vitamin C, collagen cannot be formed. Napoleon Hill believed that you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. If you want to build strength from the inside out, start with what you consume. Start with citrus. It's not just health, it's a declaration. I choose vitality. I choose strength. I choose to build instead of break. Vitamin C's secret mission. We've all heard of vitamin C, the champion of immunity, the hero during flu season. But today, let's talk about its undercover mission, beneath the surface. This humble vitamin is silently working to build something extraordinary: collagen, the glue that holds your body together. Collagen isn't just beauty, it's biology. And here's the catch. Your body can't make it without vitamin C. Think of it as a construction site where amino acids are the bricks, and vitamin C is the builder. Without it, the structure never rises. Napoleon Hill once said, "Nothing can bring success but yourself." So what if that success starts with a simple change: a slice of orange, a squeeze of lemon, a bit of lime in your water? With every dose of vitamin C, you're empowering your body to restore, rebuild, and rise. The knitting analogy collagen explained. Imagine your body is crafting a blanket thread by thread, weaving strength and flexibility into every strand. That blanket is collagen. Vitamin C, that's the needle, the tool that binds each amino acid into a strong, flexible fiber. Without the needle, the thread is useless. Without vitamin C, no collagen. Napoleon Hill said, "You give before you get." That's true in health. A slice of orange spoonful of kiwi, or a sip of lemon water, small gifts to your body that return powerful results. Your body is knitting. You're the designer. Feed it wisely. The knitting analogy, collagen explained. Imagine your body is crafting a blanket thread by thread, weaving strength and flexibility into every strand. That blanket is collagen, vitamin C. That's the needle, the tool that binds each amino acid into a strong, flexible fiber.com. Without the needle, the thread is useless. Without vitamin C, no collagen, Napoleon Hill said. You give before you get. That's true in health. A slice of orange, spoonful of kiwi, or a sip of lemon water, small gifts to your body that return powerful results. Your body is knitting. You're the designer. Feed it wisely. Asterisk. The collagen factory, what stalls it? Your body is a factory. It builds collagen daily, but like any factory, it needs raw materials and skilled workers. Amino acids and vitamin C. No vitamin C. The factory stalls. Skin sags. Joints ache. Healing slows. Napoleon Hill warned. Lack of persistence is the cause of failure. So be persistent with nourishment. Don't ask how old am I. Ask how fueled is my body. Fuel it with citrus. Keep the machines running. Keep the repair alive. Citric acid and digestion. Asterisk, inside every citrus fruit is an unsung hero. Citric acid. It's more than flavor, it's function. It helps digestion, improves absorption, and balances your gut. Remember, you're not what you eat. You're what you absorb. Iron, calcium, nutrients. They need citric acid to reach their destination. Napoleon Hill said, your big opportunity may be right where you are now. Maybe that opportunity is in a morning lemon, a grapefruit slice. Upgrade your digestion, elevate your energy, empower your system. Gut-brain connection. Asterisk, your gut and brain, two organs in constant conversation. That's the gut-brain axis. When the gut flourishes, the brain responds with clarity and calm. When digestion falters, stress rises. Citrus fruits support digestion and microbiome balance. Your mental health starts with gut health. Napoleon Hill said, what the mind can believe, it can achieve, but the mind needs fuel. That starts in your gut. Support your system, and your brain will reward you with peace, focus, and strength. One simple daily habit. Asterisk, transformation doesn't demand chaos. Just one daily habit. Half an avocado, a slice of citrus, a glass of lemon water. These are rituals, not restrictions. They build health gently, consistently. They're affordable, accessible, effective. Napoleon Hill said, you will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you. Let those thoughts build discipline. Let one habit become your revolution. Vitality as a lifestyle. Asterisk, health isn't a trend, it's who you become. Through avocado and citrus, you've discovered more than nutrition. You've discovered power, collagen, digestion, gut-brain clarity, all woven into your daily life. Napoleon Hill said, desire is the starting point of all achievement. So, desire vitality, choose nourishment, build your lifestyle with intention. This isn't the end, it's the beginning. Your health is your message. Make it one worth sharing.